to hang the beauty of the trees without dress. Then Hank is laughing. See you that? Hank has a bag again. Show them what inside your bag.
Ambrosia.
So this is what Hank wants to do.
We do here or there?
I think here also can. So
we go on the other side, maybe the petty boom booms are there.
okay.
I don't see them.
See? That is the noise of the white bird. And this is quacking because they know that we have food. We bring.
Oh yeah, there are the petty boom booms.
So
We cross the bridge and then you can see them running this way.
yeah,
Probably.
look how they travel by bike. See?
Someone up front.
Someone up front. Look at them, they are there. So Hank wants to go there. Look at the beauty of the trees without dress.
You see all the vogelnestjes?
And the bohal nest. Bohal means birds. Bird's nest is on the top. In this park is a lot of bohal. Are they there?
There are some there. You know the other ones, I guess.
Yeah, okay, we go that side first.
The birds will be coming anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, first one.
Sorry?
Oh, they're coming already.
They are coming already. Give me a bread and I will feed them in my hands. See how they behave. Okay. Be gentle. Come on. Here. Here. There are different kind of ducks. There are fatty bonbons.
I think they're goose.
They goose?
They look a bit like.
Yeah,
They make sound of goose.
yeah. But it's different. It's kind of goose, but it's different. Be gentle. Oh my God. Oh yeah, you. Okay, come here. Here you go. I want them to become nearer to me.
And I shouldn't feed them.
I don't know what they're talking about. See? Some are there. They're coming here now. They like so much here, some of them. Okay, it's gonna start raining. I'm singing in the rain.
Those are also the same as these?
No, they are the same. They're there. Yeah, the same. They're the same. Oh, they're gonna reach us here. See, move throw away here so that they can let.
You'll sink.
Come on, they move faster. When they saw bread, they move faster. Come on. Move as fast as you can.
No, they're lazy.
And so they're lazy. I like the red color boost there. They turn to red. There's one there. They are the same as this tree goes behind me. They're here. And these are 3, 4. They're getting more and more like this kind of breed.
And
And the birds are,
soon there will be a lot, I guess.
yeah, they smell the bread. See? They smell the bread.
And the other ones go in the water?
Yeah, let them. Yeah,
Yeah, show them.
show them.
Take on camera straight now.
Oh yeah. Yeah. They want to go. No, they are chasing them away. Go there, Hank, so that they are chasing each other, guys. This is another another group, and this is another group. And why you are here? Maybe they said, but these are young. So these 2 young. So oh, they're there already. They hop in. You throw here, sweetheart. So let's see when they got hop in. Oh my God, the birds are not so. Oh, come on, hop in. Hop in. See, they meeting each other, but the 3 is going away, and these 4 are maybe these 2 are young ones. The darker color is the old ones, but or maybe this is female. I don't know which one is female and male. Because look, guys, there's a darker colors. And Hank said this is kind of goose. Look at the color. And this is the color of, I don't know if they are female or male. Okay, buy Han in the andere kant
Okay.
because the
The other ones are also hungry, yeah?
yeah, they are hungry also there. And we're gonna see the no, henog gang, henog. Henog means enough. Enough, Hen. Told you enough is enough. See those
Meeuwen.
no, this is tree without leaves. They are naked. See, there is a beauty when there's a naked, and the same as human. Yeah, Hank.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Hank agreed. They know that we are here again. The arrival of the ducks. They're getting fast and fast. They're getting hungry now.
Oh, the big one is coming.
Oh, that is The Pati Boom Boom. That means 3 o'clock. This is the Pati Boom Boom. How are you today, Pati Boom Boom? Where is the other one? There are 3 together.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the other one? You are gentle. Come here. Come here. This is another kind of goose also. This one is a bit gentle. Okay. This one also. See? No more in my hands. Here, no more. Oh, there you are. You are a bit gentle today. You are a bit gentle today. There. Oh, be careful. The blind goose is there. Wow. I like the colors. Here you go. Oh, this 2 behind me wants to bite me here. Hello. Oh, the goose cannot see her. Come here. The goose cannot see. What's going on? No, he's looking for the 2. It's here. They are here. The white one is looking for his friends. The friends is here. These 2, because they are always together.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, look guys, the white one is not interested anymore, because that one, he thinks he's looking for his partner. Her partner is here. They're eating quietly here. Oh, hey. Really? He is lost already. The duck one. What?
Oh, it's already here, but he's still eating.
Yeah. You still have one. Okay, come here. Gentle one. He's looking for you guys. Come on. Tell them that you are here. Oh, he touched it. He touched it under the... Come on. Let's do... no, they didn't. Wait. That one, guys, making noise. The white goose is making noise because he's looking for his friend. This is his friends, the 2 there. But he cannot see them because he is blind. Hey, go away with the 2 so he can see. Oh, what's going on there? It's here. Come here. See, I want to come here. Come here so that they come here so he can see it. Come here. Come here. Here. He's looking for his 2 friends. Now I think he know already. You come here. They are here.
Come on.
Oh, what a pity. They're gonna kill. Okay, come. Now they're quiet. No more food.
Yep.
And the fatty boom boom is still hungry. Be careful. They are going away again because they saw somebody's there feeding them. So they went away. So he will go and drink. After eating, they have to drink. Yeah. Yeah, it's drinking. It's drinking. They're drinking. I like these two ones. They're beautiful with the Chinese eyes. You have a Chinese eyes, small eyes. They're drinking after. See that? And the white one is making noise because he thinks his friends is not here. Okay, say that's for today.
That's it for today. Tot de volgende keer.
Doei!
Doei.